Have you ever spent hours cleaning your home only to find it messy again in no time? It's frustrating, isn't it? No matter how much effort you put in, your house never seems to stay tidy for long. But why does this happen? In this video, we'll explore the real reasons behind this problem and how you can finally maintain a clean and organized home effortlessly. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. 1. You clean without a strategy. One of the biggest mistakes people make is cleaning without a plan. Many jump into cleaning randomly, tackling whatever looks messy at the moment. This often leads to wasted effort and an ineffective cleaning routine. Without a structured approach, you'll find yourself constantly redoing tasks that could have been managed more efficiently. A proper strategy means knowing what to clean, when to clean it, and how often. Instead of sporadic cleaning sprees, adopt a system that prevents dirt and clutter from building up. For example, implementing a daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning schedule helps distribute tasks evenly. Daily habits like washing dishes immediately, wiping down surfaces, and making your bed every morning can make a huge difference in maintaining long-term cleanliness. 2. Clutter builds up faster than you tidy. If your home constantly looks messy, it's likely due to excessive clutter. Many people hold on to unnecessary items, thinking they might be useful someday. However, clutter accumulates rapidly, making even a clean space look chaotic. The more items you have, the harder it is to keep things organized and clean. A great way to combat this issue is to embrace minimalism and decluttering techniques. Regularly evaluate your possessions and remove what you don't use or need. Try the one in, one out rule every time you bring something new into your home. Get rid of an old item. This prevents clutter from piling up and makes it easier to maintain order. 3. You don't have set cleaning habits. Cleaning should be a habit, not an occasional event. Many people wait until their homes are visibly dirty before they start cleaning. This approach not only makes the task overwhelming, but also allows dirt and mess to accumulate. Consistency is key. Developing simple daily habits can make all the difference. For instance, spending just 10 minutes each day tidying up can prevent mess from spiraling out of control. Small actions like putting things back where they belong immediately, wiping down kitchen counters after cooking, and sweeping floors regularly help maintain cleanliness effortlessly. 4. Your storage solutions are inefficient. Even if you clean regularly, your home might still feel messy if your storage systems are ineffective. Poor organization leads to cluttered surfaces and misplaced items, making cleaning more difficult. When everything has a designated place, tidying up becomes much easier. Invest in smart storage solutions that suit your lifestyle. Use labeled containers, drawer dividers, and vertical space to keep things organized. If you struggle with putting things away, simplify your system. The easier it is to store items properly, the more likely you'll do it consistently. 5. You rely on deep cleaning instead of maintenance. Many people believe that an occasional you procrastinate on small tasks. One of the biggest culprits behind a messy home is procrastination. When you delay small tasks like folding laundry, washing dishes, or putting things back in place, they pile up quickly. Before you know it, your home looks cluttered and unmanageable. Breaking this habit requires a mindset shift. Try following the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This applies to simple chores like wiping down a surface, returning an item to its place, or tossing out junk mail. Addressing small messes right away prevents them from turning into overwhelming cleaning sessions. 6. You rely on deep cleaning instead of maintenance. many people believe that an occasional deep cleaning session will keep their home spotless. However, relying solely on deep cleaning is ineffective because mess accumulates faster than you can clean it. Instead, focus on consistent maintenance. Think of cleaning as a routine rather than a major event. Wipe down kitchen counters daily, sweep floors regularly, and do a quick bathroom check every night. When maintenance becomes second nature, you won't need to set aside entire weekends for deep cleaning. 7. You don't involve everyone in the household. If you're the only one cleaning while others contribute to the mess, your efforts will always feel futile. A clean home should be a shared responsibility among all household members. If you live with family, a partner, or roommates, everyone should play a part in keeping the space tidy. Assign tasks based on individual strengths and availability. Even small contributions like having kids put away their toys or a partner handling the dishes can make a big difference. Establishing household rules such as no shoes in the house or clean up after yourself helps maintain a cleaner environment effortlessly. 8. You keep buying more stuff. A major reason homes get messy is the constant influx of new items. Whether it's clothes, gadgets, or home decor, buying more than you need creates unnecessary clutter. It's easy to accumulate possessions without realizing how much space they take up. To combat this, adopt a more mindful approach to shopping. Before purchasing something new, ask yourself if you truly need it and where it will be stored. Declutter regularly and make conscious choices about what you bring into your home. Owning fewer items makes cleaning and organizing significantly easier. 9. You don't have a nighttime reset routine. Ending your day with a cluttered home makes it harder to start fresh the next morning. A simple nighttime reset routine can prevent this. Take 10 to 15 minutes before bed to put things back in place, wipe down surfaces, and do a quick sweep of common areas. Waking up to a tidy home sets a positive tone for the day. 10. You leave tasks unfinished. Small unfinished tasks accumulate quickly, whether it's leaving dishes in the sink, laundry in the dryer, or unopened mail on the counter. These little things create unnecessary clutter. Completing tasks fully, even if they seem minor, helps keep your space tidy. 11. You don't use the right cleaning products. Using ineffective or low-quality cleaning products can make cleaning feel like a bigger chore than it needs to be. Investing in efficient tools and products that suit your needs can save time and effort, making it easier to maintain cleanliness. 12. Establish a cleaning routine that works for you. A personalized cleaning schedule helps maintain a clean home without feeling overwhelmed. Identify your cleaning preferences, whether it's small daily tasks or a structured weekly plan, and stick to it. Point 12. Establish a cleaning routine that works for you. A personalized cleaning schedule helps maintain a clean home without feeling overwhelmed. Identify your cleaning preferences, whether it's small daily tasks or a structured weekly plan, and stick to it. 13. Use smart cleaning hacks. Time-saving hacks like using multipurpose cleaners, investing in a robot vacuum, and implementing quick tidy-up sessions throughout the day can make cleaning more manageable. 14. Reward yourself for keeping things clean. Motivating yourself with small rewards, such as relaxing after tidying up, can reinforce good habits and make cleaning a more positive experience. By understanding the reasons why your home doesn't stay clean, you can take proactive steps to change your habits and create a tidier living environment. Small, consistent efforts go a long way in maintaining a clean and organized space. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but creating a system that works for you and your household. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your best cleaning tips in the comments below. Your home should be a place of comfort and relaxation. Let's make it happen together.